Have you ever imagined a life where financial stress is a thing of the past? Picture waking up each morning knowing that your investments are growing, your savings are secure, and your income is not limited by the hours you work. What if you could achieve financial freedom and truly get rich? How would that transform your life and the lives of those you love? For many, the dream of financial freedom remains just that, a dream. But what if I told you it's possible to turn that dream into reality? This video will explore actionable strategies to increase your income, build wealth, and achieve financial independence. Whether you're 25 and just starting your career or 55 and looking to maximize your earnings before retirement, these strategies can help you get rich and stay rich. We are going to go through this fast, so grab a pen and paper or save this to your wealth building playlist. Here we go. So listen closely to this life-transformative information. Watch until the end so you don't miss any of the 3 parts. Part 1. Leveraging your current job. One of the quickest ways to boost your income is by maximizing your salary in your current job. Here's how. 1. Negotiate your salary. Many people accept the first offer they receive without negotiation. Don't leave money on the table. Research your market value and prepare a strong case for a raise based on your performance and industry standards. You know the saying, the squeaky wheel gets the grease. Maybe you have also heard that a closed mouth never gets fed. Don't be afraid to open your mouth. Just be sure to be respectful. 2. Seek promotions. Aim for career advancement within your company. Show initiative, take on challenging projects, and demonstrate leadership skills. Promotions often come with significant pay increases. The boss will respect you for wanting to move up. 3. Enhance your skills. Continuously improve your skills through courses, certifications, and workshops. Staying relevant in your field makes you more valuable and marketable, leading to higher pay. Part 2. Side hustles. Relying solely on your primary job can limit your financial growth, and it's dangerous. One small emergency could put you out of work or put you in significant debt. Diversifying your income through side hustles can accelerate wealth building. 1. Freelancing. Utilize your skills in areas like writing, graphic design, or consulting to take on freelance work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer numerous opportunities. 2. Gig economy. Consider part-time gigs such as driving for rideshare companies, delivering groceries, or renting out a spare room on Airbnb. I have a few friends that are doing really well with the Airbnb gig. These can provide steady additional income. 3. Online businesses. Start an online store, create digital products, or become an affiliate marketer. E-commerce platforms like Etsy and Shopify make it easier than ever to start a business from home. It's a no-brainer to start something that can earn you money online. The internet never closes, and virtually everyone is glued to a screen these days. Part 2. Smart investing. Investing in the stock market can be a powerful way to grow your wealth. Here are some tips. 1. Educate yourself. Before investing, take the time to learn about the stock market. Books, online courses, and financial news websites are great resources. 2. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk. Consider index funds, which provide exposure to a broad range of stocks. 3. Long-term focus. The stock market can be volatile in the short term. Focus on long-term investments that have the potential for substantial growth over time. Real estate is another proven wealth-building strategy. 1. Rental properties. Invest in rental properties to generate passive income. Research the rental market, calculate potential returns, and manage properties effectively. 2. House flipping. Buy undervalued properties, renovate them, and sell them for a profit. This requires a good understanding of the real estate market and renovation costs. 3. Rates. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. They are traded on stock exchanges and offer a way to earn from real estate investments. Part 3. Building passive income streams. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady stream of income. Companies that pay dividends distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders, offering regular income in addition to potential capital gains. 1. Stable companies. Look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. They are often more stable and reliable. 2. Reinvestment. Consider reinvesting your dividends to buy more shares, compounding your returns over time. Some people started investing in dividend stocks early enough that now they live completely off the dividends. Imagine that. If you have expertise or a passion, create content around it and monetize it. 1. Blogging. Start a blog and generate income through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. There are resources out there now that make it easy to set up and build websites. 2. YouTube. Create a YouTube channel and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. 3. Start a newsletter. Once enough people subscribe to your free newsletter, advertisers will come knocking. This is also a good way to get affiliate marketing going. 4. Online courses. Share your knowledge by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to reach a global audience. The important thing is to take action today. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, smart planning, and a willingness to take risks. By leveraging your current job, making smart investments, and building passive income streams, you can set yourself on the path to getting rich. So, what's stopping you from taking the first step today? How will you start transforming your financial future? Remember, every great financial journey begins with a single step. What action will you take today to start earning more and building lasting wealth? The possibilities are endless, and the rewards are life-changing. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. I have found that the best way to make more money is to make a plan. Too many people sit around waiting for something to happen to them, and it never does. You have to get out there and make something happen. I have also found what might seem to work for a lot of people won't necessarily work for you. Try something out, and if it doesn't work, go on to the next thing. This doesn't make you a quitter. You're only a quitter when you stop trying. Now, since you watched this till the end, you should keep your momentum going by doing 2 more things. First, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any important information I deliver every week. And second, click on this video right here to learn 22 powerful secrets to get rich faster. Go ahead and click on this video now, and let's build big money.